Welcome to Nature's Glory Cabin Off-Road. Today we're doing something a little different. It's a product unbox and install. It's a Offroadmania rear table for the JL. Also has an extension you can pull out and a molle panel. I haven't used the molle panel yet, but we've used it once and we liked it a lot. Enjoy. Alright, let's see what we got here. This came from Europe, I believe, from Offroadmania. This is supposed to be my table for the tailgate of my JL. And got a nice little couple of stickers, Offroadmania. Around here has this nice molle panel on it. And hopefully, see what I do with that. The built-in bottle opener. Got it's all one piece, obviously. And a nice bag. And it comes with a slide-out drawer for the table. And obviously some hardware. And let's see what we can do with that. And we've got to pop this off. And this. Make sure all the little things stay where they belong. You can see here that I had to drill these out. There's one on each end, and they were right there through those tubes. They were 12 millimeter, half inch, whatever you want to call it. And on the back side, you can see that little white mark. I put that to make sure it's in the right place. There's a dimple there where I have to drill on each end. That one's a little dirty, but they both get drilled out to half inch, 12 millimeter also for mounting. Then you put it all back together. And you got our drilled out holes here. And we get the stanchions that are the right length. And assemble it. Now, as I do this, I'm thinking I probably should have had a helper. You can see I've got the bottom tubes kind of hanging there because they push all the way in. I think they're going to fall in. The top ones are shorter, they fit just fine. Let's see what we can do here just for fun. No, they're not. Those are too long also. So, see what happens here. Okay, those are the right length. Alright, let's film this and just see how much trouble this is going to be for me. to get my Allen wrench handy. So hopefully I can get it started, then I can get the other one done. I believe it's threaded that time. Alright. Now let's go to the other one. See if we can get so lucky too, twice. There we go. I believe it went on. Okay, started. Let's start the other two. Yeah, I believe it's going to start. I think I put the wrong one in the bottom. This one's snugged up so I can let go of it. Okay. And I believe this is the wrong one. In this corner. Yeah, because look how much of that's sticking out. Yep, wrong one. Let's go see if I can find a power tool. Alright, that's more like it. film off. Let's see what we got under here. Nice, tricky stainless steel table underneath it. And we should have a slide out here. And there we go. A second, is it in wrong? It's supposed to come all the way out. Don't know why it doesn't. Anyway. There it is. Alright, let's see if we can see this thing in full operation now. There it is. Mounted to the tailgate. Get up here. See it in operation. I made a mistake earlier. I put the wrong standout on it so the bottom tray wouldn't come out as far. And I fixed that. And here we go with the little levers. It comes down. Stainless steel base. And we pull out the little side. And it fits perfectly. That's what it's supposed to look like. Let's try this one more time. Full operation. Had to change one of the standoffs, get the slide out table to work. So here we go. Flip the little levers. Comes down. Pull out the extension. Extra table. Push it back in. And snap it back up. There we go.